Welcome back to TechKidFX for another apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments here on the apecoin chart. And before I kickstart the video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to kickstart the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a brief of what has been happening, where you can see that apecoin, from these low prices that had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, taking us to an all-time high at around the $28 mark. And that movement to the upside was not a 5-wave structure but much of a 3-wave structure, having the wave C taking us to an all-time high. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we have been seeing lower prices in this movement right here, which has not given us a low at around the $2.5971 mark. And if I give you a measure from the all-time high, you can see that apecoin is down more than 90%, meaning there are chances that we might have seen the bear market low. And whatever I'm expecting after seeing the bear market low is a very nice bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, and that is better seen here on the 4-hour chart, where you can see that after making our low at around the $2.5971 mark, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, having that as the first wave to the upside, then a wave 2, a wave 3, then a wave 4, then a wave 5, making its peak at around the $4.59 mark, and also completing the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And whatever we expected next after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 1 is an ABC corrective structure in the formation of a second wave, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, that was giving me a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of a second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the $3.59 mark and the $3.35 mark, which is a target area that we have fully maximized. And after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2, whatever I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3. And because the wave 3 to the upside is an impulsive wave, we also expect to see a 5-wave structure to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And I believe we have started such a scenario here on the apecoin chart, where you can see we have this first wave to the upside, and before we made our high in the formation of this first wave, we had a chart pattern that was in formation, which is a triangle, which gave us a breakout to the upper side, having the minimum target area of the breakout giving us a target back to around the $4 mark, which is a target area that we have fully maximized, and made a high at around the $4.21 mark in the formation of that wave 1 to the upside. And having that in mind, whatever I'm expecting next after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 1 is a corrective structure in the formation of a second wave, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gives me a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of a second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the $3.7375 mark and the $3.6256 mark. And that is the minimum that I was expecting that second wave to the lower side to do, and I believe that move is still coming our way, and I believe we might have started that ABC corrective structure that we expect in the formation of a second wave, having this as the wave A, then a wave B is in formation before we see another leg down in the formation of that wave C to fully maximize the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2 to the lower side. Then from there we can expect another 5-wave structure to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3 that I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $6.5218 mark, and that is the minimum that I would expect that wave 3 to the upside to do. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 59 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upper side in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3, and we also have room for us to support this ABC corrective structure to support to fully maximize the formation of that second wave. And also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have printed a bearish cross, and that would mean our prices are coming our way, fully supporting the formation of that ABC corrective structure in the formation of that second wave. And that's the update for apecoin.